How to find notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram, and here you will find this one, your profile. Here in the bottom corner, click on it, and now click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find the settings. Click settings and then click notifications, and as you see here you can manage notification settings. You can turn it off, just enable this one, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.